Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now, shut the car off, remove keys, and put on gloves and eye protection. Once done, open the glove box or remove the dash panel to expose the evaporator housing. Different models vary, so follow access points, but don't delay. Make sure Kool It and the spray hose are ready on a nearby surface and have shop towels for drips. You want a clear workspace. Any delay increases contamination. Begin by positioning yourself to reach the drain and evaporator face without forcing panels. You now apply the cleaner. Attach the spray hose and position the nozzle toward the evaporator core and drain pan while steering clear of blower motor and exposed electronics. Begin with 3 to 5 second bursts, sweeping evenly from one side to the other so the cleaner penetrates fins and channels. Once you've coated the full surface, let it dwell for the recommended 3 to 5 minutes to break down grime and biological growth. After dwelling, follow product guidance and rinse or repeat short bursts to flush loosened debris. You finish by reassembling the panels and reconnecting the battery, then run the A/C on high for about 10 minutes to dry the evaporator and carry away residues. Make sure the drain is flowing, observe a steady drip under the car. If slow, clear gently with compressed air or a flexible tool. If odors or leaks persist, repeat the cleaning once and inspect seals or the heater core area. Troubleshooting tip: if cleaning doesn't help, restricted airflow or a damaged evaporator may need professional inspection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.